Today we are going to talk about our new car, the Model Y from Tesla. This is long range trim. So there are three trims in this Tesla Model Y: standard range, and long range, and performance. The name suggests performance. It's powerful. No? So 0 to 60 miles per hour is measured at 3.6 seconds in performance, whereas in long range 0 to 60 is 4.6 seconds. That itself is pretty good, considering between standard range and long range. Long range lo manki per charge, full charge, 100% charge, we get 330 miles estimated. Okay, whereas in standard range inka takku vastadi manki mileage. So major differences are between standard, long range and performance models. I think it is definitely a better opportunity for you guys to go ahead and give a demo drive to understand how the car performs. See, no matter how much I tell, unless you go and try it out yourself, you'll not understand the power of this car. If you're in the borderline of buying a car, then do give a demo drive for this Tesla. Online we can schedule a demo, choosing your nearest center where these vehicles are available. Demo schedule cheskoni, at that time we can go and take a test drive of the car. And a major thing about buying a Tesla is there is no hassle of bargaining. Andarki okate price. So, and it is as easy as ordering an iPhone site. So you can just do everything from the phone. Literally, I mean, I'm not exaggerating. Literally, I personally bought my car. I just ordered it from the car. It's really a different kind of experience than the traditional approach of how you go into a car dealership and talk to a salesman and how you deal with them and how you negotiate the price. It's totally different and it's a smooth experience. Everything can be done online. So this is the cargo cover. This is the boot space. It is very big. If we remove this, we have good amount of boot space here as well. Okay, and manam easyga lay down cheyachu mana seats to get two people can sleep in this car. There is a special mode called camp mode in this Tesla car. Let's move it little back. Okay, 3 adults fit avtaru back seat lo. This is the key cards which you get with your Tesla Model Y. So we can use this key card to open your car. Actually, manam tarvata, once we are done with all the settings, we can use our phone to unlock and lock our cars and do much more. We can later take a look at the app. Black color leather seats, vegan leather, not real leather, and black trim key. You will actually get a wooden trim, wooden dashboard all over here. Then manki inko color option undi seats ki, interior seats ki, white color seats, and ikkada dashboard kuda white ostadi, white color option తీసుకుంటే. And this car has 11 speakers. So standard lo manki anni speakers undavu. Premium audio is included in long range. So we get 11 speakers all over our car and a powerful subwoofer. So lopata manki we have a 15-inch screen. Manki ikkada 2 wireless chargers unnai. Then we have a huge center console here. We have 2 USB-C ports here. So I bought a new accessory for my Tesla So this is from a brand called Halo Black. It is a rubberized version. This can be taken out and we can wash it off and replace it back. It's hard plastic, so this is really a nice way of organizing things. Really, it slides well and it doesn't obstruct with anything over here. If you can see, it closes very smoothly and no issues over there. And one more thing, ikkada manki 2 cup holders unnai. This doesn't have any lining, rubber lining or anything. So if manki ekkadana spill aithe, we won't be able to wash it. This is also from a brand called Halo Black. And mana key card ikkada pettukodaniki kuda easy ga untadi. There is no obstruction over here. Now about the armrest console. Idi kuda chala deep and shallow, and there is no additional storage space. So this is from Spigen, and it can be easily washed, cleaned. Idi rubberized lining, and this can be slided off neatly here. Correct fit aitadi. And also there is an, I don't know if you can see, okay, there is an cutout here for this charger port over here. So no obstruction with our existing features. And also a screen fingerprint magnet. So I ordered a Spigen screen guard for this. I'll put the links in the description for all the accessories which I got. Tesla doesn't give all-weather mats. I actually got it from a brand called Lasfit. I'm happy with the mats. I don't have any issues. So first let's go with the AC unit. So it's choosaru ankondi, we can actually drag the air flow. I really like this animation over here. We can direct the flow of air to whichever direction we choose. And this is keep climate enabled. So manam chinna 10-minute shopping or something ekkadikaina ellinappudu, if we want our car to be climate controlled, we can use this. We can keep it heat or cold, whatever our condition is. And next option, manki dog or cat mode. Climate and screen will stay on after you exit. By chance pets emena door open cheyadaniki try chesna, in chesna, it won't be done. Only feature is we can get a climate control car in this. This feature is camp enabled. So if you go to a camping ground, manki ee madhya camping grounds lo kuda electrical chargings untunnai. So we can plug in our car and we can spend night in our car with this camp mode enabled. And manki easily, as we discussed in the previous section, we can easily make 2 people sleep comfortably in this car. So camp mode will maintain the climate for us. And of course, if it is plugged in, we have no issues about charging as well. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and let's all grow together. Signing off, Sushmita with Swapna. Bye-bye.